You wake up early, you hit the gym, you sweat, you grind, you push through the pain, and then you look in the mirror after 3 months. Nothing changed. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just making a few mistakes, and nobody ever told you what they are until now. I've been there, working out 5 days a week, feeling sore every single day, thinking soreness meant progress, but the scale didn't move, the mirror didn't change, and I had no idea why. Here's what I figured out. Working out and working out smart are two completely different things. Most people are doing the first one. Very few are doing the second. Let me show you the difference. You're doing too much and mastering nothing. Monday, chest day. Tuesday, you saw a new YouTube video, full body workout. Wednesday, arms. Thursday, some random HIIT routine. Friday, legs maybe. Sound like you're weak? Here's the problem. Your muscles don't grow from variety. They grow from progressive overload, doing the same movements, getting stronger at them week after week. When you switch exercises every single day, your body never adapts. It never grows. It just stays confused. Fix it. Pick 4 to 5 exercises. Stick with them for at least 8 weeks. Get stronger at those specific movements. That's when the magic happens. You're not eating for your goal. This one hurts to hear, but it's the truth. You can't out-train a bad diet. Nobody can. If you want to lose fat, you need to eat in a calorie deficit. Simple as that. If you want to build muscle, you need enough protein. At least 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of your body weight, every single day. Most people either eat too little and wonder why they have no energy, or eat too much and wonder why the fat won. Not forever, just 2 weeks. You'll be shocked at what you find. Most people are either way under or way over, and they had no idea. You think more equals better. More sets, more reps, more exercises, more days at the gym. That's not discipline. That's a recipe for burnout. Here's what actually happens when you overtrain. Your body stays inflamed, your muscles never fully recover, your progress slows down or completely stops. And the worst part? You start to hate working out. Fix it. 3 to 4 quality sessions per week is enough. Rest is not laziness. Rest is where your muscles actually grow. Give your body the time it needs to rebuild and come back stronger. You're not sleeping enough. This one gets ignored the most. You can have the perfect workout, perfect diet, perfect program. But if you're sleeping 5 hours a night, you're leaving 50% of your results on the table. Why? Because growth hormone, the thing that actually builds your muscle, releases during deep sleep. No sleep, no hormone, no muscle. It's that simple. Fix it. 7 to 9 hours every night. Not negotiable. Your body builds muscle while you sleep, not while you're lifting. You have no plan, you're just winging it. Be honest. Do you walk into the gym knowing exactly what you're doing today? Or do you just figure it out when you get there? Working out without a plan is like driving without a destination. You'll move, but you won't get anywhere. Fix it. Write it down before you go. How many sets? How many reps? What weight? Then next week, beat those numbers. That's progressive overload. That's how muscle is built. That's the whole game. You quit too soon. Here's the hardest truth of all. Real results take 8 to 12 weeks minimum to show up visually. Most people quit at week 3 or 4, right before the breakthrough. They try something for a month, don't see abs, switch to a new program. Repeat the cycle forever. And 2 years later, they're still at square one. Fix it. Trust the process for at least 90 days. Take progress photos every 2 weeks, not every day. Because the mirror lies to you daily, but photos don't. Commit to 90 days. Show up even when you don't feel like it. The results will come. They always do. Here's what nobody tells you about fitness. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. The person who works out 4 times a week for a year will always beat the person who goes 7 days a week for 1 month and quits. Every single time. You don't need to be extreme. You need to be relentless. Miss a workout? Come back tomorrow. Ate bad today? Eat better tomorrow. Had a rough week? Show up on Monday. That's the secret. Not some magic program. Not some expensive supplement. Just keep showing up. So let's recap real quick. You're not getting results because 1. You're switching exercises too often. 2. Your diet doesn't match your goals. 3. You're doing too much and not recovering. 4. You're not sleeping enough. 5. You have no real plan. 6. You're quitting too soon. Fix these 6 things, and I promise you, everything changes. If this video opened your eyes today, smash that like button, drop a comment, tell me, which of these 6 was your biggest mistake? I read every single one. And if you want more real, no BS fitness content like this, subscribe to FitBuddy Blue right now. Hit that bell so you never miss out. Because the person you want to become, they're already inside you, just waiting for you to stop making excuses and start making progress. See you in the next one.